Hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Whenever you seeing this video, sabko namaste. So let's start today's trading session. Let me share my screen. Hopefully my screen is visible, right? Great. So let me just jump to this trading application. So guys, this is paperweight.com. You can just visit paperweight.com and register if you haven't registered yet, so that you can also have $100,000 of money by which you can trade. Um, Guys, give me a second. I want to just check that I am live or not, so that I can start freely. Okay. Yes, I am live. Nice. So what we can do is I will keep this phone side by side, so just to monitor myself. Okay. Nice. So just visit this link. This link is attached in the description box as well. And once you sign up or register, you will get $100,000, and by which you can uh, trade in this five coins. Out of them, four are cryptocurrency. One is commodity, that is gold. Okay. And one more thing is that yeah. So this application will track your progress as well. So today, as you have seen, that I haven't took any trade yet, and this is my overall status, that uh, entirely since I started this journey, I have punched 92 trades, and out of them 28 are profitable and 64 are in losses. So this is a very bad number actually, and as a result I have lost $2,300. This is my best trade and this is my worst trade. So as you, and one thing also, you can just see my order history as well. So this is my order history. So yesterday I took around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and out of them I make a profit in one trade only, and out of, and all the trades are went in loss. So you can just track yourself, your application, your trading journey, that how you are performing on a daily basis. And if you find that you are committing mistakes on regular basis like I do, so you can just write notes as well. So let me show you example. So this is a green icon. Just that means it contains some kinds of notes. So this, you can just see that I have written a notes that this is a sell order, and this is what I thought while punching the trade, right? So and one more thing is that yeah, you can turn this chart screenshot feature as well if you are paid user. That means um, while whenever you punch any trade, it will take a screenshot of this chart, so that you will see that exactly what point of time you have punched the trade. For example, it's this is a 4 hour candle, so you have punched somewhere here, right? So I'm just turning it off because I don't want trade now, but you can definitely leverage this feature. All right. So these are some cryptocurrencies. Let's start our journey with uh, with Bitcoin itself. So I'm just adding indicators. So my favorite indicator is 9 and 15 EMA. So it will definitely tell me the direction of the market, where it is moving. And this is it. So one, the which is closer to the candles is 9 EMA, and which is farther from the candles is 15 EMA. One more thing that I usually love to do is to close countdown to close the bar. So after this, all the setups, like to jump to the trading. Let's see where the market is moving. And as you can see, the market is moving in the downward direction. As you can see, for the past couple of days, market is in the downside. But for the past few days, market is in consolidation phase. Didn't know which direction has to move. But as you can see, that market started moving in the lower lows. So it is making, as you can see, the direction of EMA is downward direction, and you can see the rejection also in this current candle, that it faces a rejection from top. And so there are heavy sellers present at this EMA as well. So that means that the market is in downward direction, and if we find any opportunity in the downward direction, we will definitely trade. So this is 4 hour interval, so that you can see that at 4 hour interval, market is quite bearish. And let's see what is happening at 1 hour interval. As you can see, market is quite bearish at 1 hour interval as well. So as soon as we dig down, as as we dig down in the market, we will see more noise in the market, and the trading gonna be a bit difficult in shorter time frame. But we have but why I did as a longer time frame is because I want to see the direction of the market, in which direction it is moving. So I know that market is moving in the downward direction. So my first thought is, whenever I find an opportunity that market is moving in downward direction, I will definitely punch a trade. All right. So okay, as as you can see that at 15 minute it is all more complicated. Um, Although like there is a sharp move in, so this is a swing as well. So market is moving slowly moving in downward direction. Then it consolidated for quite 2 to 3 hours. Then it made a huge uh, movement in the up direction by swiping away all those sellers who are punching their down on trades in the downward direction, and swiping away all those sellers by taking the stop losses, and then suddenly market move in the downward direction again. So this is the behavior of market. It usually traps traders in both direction, either in buying or in selling. But you have to be pretty smart, because for the past couple of days I have been trapped so many times, and my account is drowning because of this. So let's forget about the past. Let's this Today is a new day. We have to punch the trade with the new mindset, that whether where the market is moving. Okay, so let's see what is at 5 minutes time frame. So at 5 minutes, you can see that this is a small trend line that I can see that it is in up direction, and there is a rejection over here. So you can just see that there is a quite rejection from this EMA. So we will definitely punch the trade in a downward direction if it crosses the trend line. That's a little bit trend line. Although, like, let's see, there is something or not. There is nothing in the that will act as a support, because after this the market can go in free fall. So let's see how the market is behaving. Okay. So this is the analysis of Bitcoin. Let's jump to what is happening at Ethereum. So this is Ethereum chart. Let's give some time to load it. And yes, you can see that Ethereum is also a replica of Bitcoin as well, because cryptocurrency almost behave in the same way. So you can see that Ethereum is also, like, for past couple of days it is in down trend, but now it is breaking out and making another downtrend. So this might act as a buying zone, but it is quite far, and we can take the advantage to jump in the downward direction trade. So let's see how market is performing. Same as it is doing in. I want to do the EMA as well. And the timer to close the candle. We will definitely jump in whenever the market is. Um, all right. Let's see what is happening at gold, because gold is so important for us. Right now, the price of gold is 5056. So as you can see that 4 hour time frame, gold is gold is acting a bit fishy to us, because for past couple of days, like from 29th Jan to 2nd Feb, uh, market showed us a crash in gold, and it is quite heavy crash. You can just see that this is actually very heavy. Then it reversed, and as if you draw a Fibonacci retracement, then you can just see that from top to bottom, market almost touched 55%, and then from that 55% market is reversing. So it's basically market is testing the sentiments of all the sellers as well, that are you interested in taking the market in the downward direction, otherwise I will go in the up direction, because the primary the primary behavior of gold is to move in the up direction, and it will sooner or later will follow its trend, right? Now, give me let me yeah. So at 4 hour interval, you can see that market is quite staggered or quite saturated, and it is consolidating for past couple of days, like 2 to 3 days. It is in the same range. So this is the selling. This horizontal line that I draw is a selling zone, because from this point market fall twice. Like this is the falling. This is the selling zone, and this is the selling zone. And now market is struggling at the selling zone as well. So there is a high chances that market will give another sell, making the double top. And if it crosses, as you can see, there is a little bit buying also at this point, because because these buyers don't want to square off their position easily, so they are a bit patiently waiting for the market to make a move in the up direction, so that more buyers can come in and go in the up direction, right? So this is the behavior that gold is showing right now. So as of now, there is no as such trade in the gold, so we have to avoid gold for couple of days, because right now the market condition is not good in gold. So we will focus today on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Binance, not in gold, because gold is not behaving as we wanted to behave. So Bitcoin, as you can see, there is a taking rejection from EMA. Ethereum is also taking rejection from EMA, but it having a buying support as well. Let's see what is happening at Solana. Let me clear this volume chart. I'll clear this EMA as well. At my favorite EMA, that is 915. I will definitely increase the length to 15. Uh, See, guys, this is the free chart that I'm using from TradingView. So actually, let me tell you, this is the application is developed by me. So I'm a full-time software engineer. So I use this TradingView chart because it is available as a free source, and if with free source there are some kind of limitations. So I have to manually add these EMAs, because it is not supported in free version to by default. It will not take my saved EMA, and so if you guys can pay me, then I will definitely buy the premium chart. But right now I have no revenue source, so please bear it. Sorry, guys, but this is what it is. Okay, let's yeah, yeah, on at the Solana level as well. You can just see that every cryptocurrency like similar behaviors as of cryptocurrency. So it is also behaving like same thing. So as you can see, same thing is happening. I think most probably Binance is also behave. Yeah, exactly. Binance is giving the proper vibe of going in the downward direction up till this point. But there is a buying zone at this point, so we have to be a bit careful in the Binance. If we are planning to go in the downward direction, we have to see that how market behave at this buying zone. So every small level will work in the sh- in the in the market. After this heavy sell, it is not that obvious that market suddenly make a V move, that it went down and suddenly went up in the single move. It will not act like that. It will, if it wants to move in the up direction, then it will definitely go up, then make a pullback in the downward direction and try to flush out all the weak buyers and invite sellers again. Then if it wants to trap sellers again, and it can make a move in up direction. But it is quite absurd, or you can say it is not not usual, or I can't say that this is the most probable move that it will directly move. The possibility is very low that it will definitely recover in the V shape. So uh, this is not how things move, as much as I know. But there is some kind of percentage that supports probability as well, unwanted probability as well. So guys, this session, this trading session might looks boring to you, because it looks boring to me as well. Because for the past couple of days, what I trying to do is I'm trying to punch trades even after suffering losses. Although like my losses are not that big, it is 100 to $200 max for each trade. But what I am doing wrong for the past couple of days is in 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or an hour, I usually punch 5 to 6 trades uh, regarding any setup. So I have to take control on myself, and I have to be in the rules, in the limitation of rules, that if there is a setup, then only take a trade, because your money is very precious. Although like this is digital money, but if I'm committing the same mistakes that I'm doing right now and in the real world as well, then what is the point of making this application and coming daily to trade, right? I'm also giving my 1 hour, 2 hour in this trading journey. That means if you are investing your time, then you have to be serious. You have to punch trades whenever you want to, because there is no one standing behind me and uh, threatening me on gunpoint that I have to take trade. I don't have to if there is no setup. And but what I'm doing for the past couple of days is I'm taking trade if there is a regardless of setup. I'm unnecessary taking risk, and as a result, market is penalizing me. So I will. So this from now onwards, for for the days to come, um, this trading sessions looks very boring for you, for me as well. But some process has to be boring in order to make money. Because if it isn't boring, then anyone can earn money, right? So this is a process that we have to go through. We have to train our mindset, and I personally have to train my mindset that in order to be in that 1% of successful traders, I have to be like them. And they have lot of patience. They waits, they waits for their trading setup, and doesn't matter if market moves behind, without them, they didn't worry at all. They will wait again for the next setup. But they rarely lose money. They have a clear goal in their mind that I will not lose money regardless of what market will do, what market will invite me. I am here for my setup. I'm looking at the market and at the same time I'm using my phone as well. And in my phone I am definitely watching my live stream. So because no one is watching, it's just me who's watching and recording at the same time. Hmm. Hmm. So today the total videos on my channel is 35 videos. I'm pretty much consistent past couple of days. It's nice. I have to see one more channel that. See, this is how trapping works, guys. So this is perfect example of trap system. As you can see that this is very rare that market. See this green candle invites, because this is strong green candle, right, with 363 points. It invites all the buyers to come, and in the next candle you can just see that it took the stop loss of all the buyers. So this is a perfect candle that how it is closing, right? It is very important. It is closing like this. So we will definitely 6183. Okay, I think it has been gone. I'm thinking to short, but it okay. I think it will definitely give one more chance. I will definitely short if it crosses again, comes again at 120. It is it is playing with sellers as well. Like after making this candle, it is flushing away all the sellers, because after seeing this red candle, I am also pretty interested in going the downward direction. But as you can see that this point, and this point is the buying zone. So it respected the buying zone again and now making a big green candle again. So unusual market actually. Respected the buying zone of the trend line and it went up. Let's see what is happening at 15-minute time interval. Can you see at 15 minute there is a sudden buying from this point. What is this? There is no such as such mm, buying support some nothing because the next buying support you can see is at this point. I think this is a pullback only for let's see how it is performing. This is the selling zone and Market broke first time here and then trapped all the buyers, made a red candle, trapped all the sellers, again went up. What is this happening? The trapping system is working very fine. What I what I'm thinking and what I'm uh, saying is that it is quite hard for market to make a V move recovery. So a market has to go like this if it wants to move in the up direction. Because as such, there is no support at all. So I'm just curious to know that if this is the move in the up direction, then there is sudden move in the downward direction as well, just to wipe out all the buyers. After wiping out all the buyers, market made another move after to just wipe out all the sellers. So what exactly market wants to do? Is it trapping sellers or is it trapping buyers? Quite confusing. I would definitely make I jumped in the selling side. Let's see what my stop loss looks like. Um, Let me see what is my 66518. 66518. 66518. 66. Let's see here I jumped in. This is my short position as well. I will take definitely a very small stop loss. Should be a 151 points. Uh, but I will definitely target at least this because it have the potential to come at this point. I think I have to square off my position because the market is giving me wrong indication. I'll wait 30 more seconds to close this candle. Candle closed in a dozy shape. What does that mean? I think I need to square off my vision because it is approaching my stop loss. Yep, it almost touched my stop loss. Faced a rejection again. So I think it will definitely cross my stop loss because the momentum has currently momentum is in the up direction, but it is also facing rejection, which is a quite sign that there are sellers present at that particular position, preventing. But there is a buying pressure as well. I think now it will definitely take our stop loss because yeah, because the candle that closed just before prior to this candle is not good. It is in upside. Yeah, I just closed my position cause it reached my stop loss and I got trapped again. I have been getting trapped for almost every day. What is happening? What is wrong? What is wrong with me? I don't know. I'm not able to understand why this buying is coming. Okay, let's analyze what is happening exactly. What is happening? So this is good selling zone. Then suddenly market lies. Okay, this is not what it wants, so it gave a pullback. After this pullback, has to move in the downward direction according to the price action. It also went in the downward direction, but then suddenly another buying came from this point. So is it the indication that market is going to recover? If it's the case, then after seeing this buying, this red candle flushed out all the buyers, these buyers. Then there is a second attempt that market is going in the up direction. That means this is a real move. Let's see how this candle is going to close, because the closing of this candle is very important. I have a risk appetite of one more trade, and I will definitely do one more trade. But I have to be more careful because as soon as I punch the trade, I have been suffering losses. See, okay. So market wants a V recovery, which is very rare because after seeing this much of selling, it's very rare the market almost reverse instantly within an hour. Wow. I'm deleting this because this plan failed very miserably. And this our plan failed in this risk reward. So my mind shifted to buying side because I don't think market is interested in going in the downward direction. Of course, it is slowly making the move in the up direction, and there is no point making us selling again and again in downward direction. One more thing that we have to take care of is this. Maybe this. 907. I think again today my mindset is not matching with the market. So I've just took two trades, and both the trades I suffered a loss. Um, I'm I'm not sure what wrong exactly I'm doing for the past couple of days, because I'm not able to identifying where the market is going. What scene is, I have no idea at all. So I'm a bit frustrated with myself as well. Like I don't know because this is the selling zone. I know that this is the selling zone and market is in selling zone as well. So I'm taking the opportunity that if market is giving me opportunity, I buy this red candle, then I again jump in the selling side and definitely target at this point as well. But as soon as I took the trade, market came just stopped me out, and again it is moving in the downward direction. So I'm quite frustrated actually. Like I don't know what exactly wrong I am doing. As soon as I am punching my trade, I have been suffering from stop loss hit. Although my stop loss is very small, but it eventually, by small stop losses, eventually giving me a big drawdown in my capital. So no idea at all. Nothing. I didn't have any idea at all. Like what exactly wrong is going with my trading style. So guys, I'm stopping this session for today, because I know that if I continue to see the market, and definitely my eyes will see that there is opportunity, but eventually it is not. I punched the selling order again. Let's see where I punched it. 66983. 66983. somewhere. My stop loss would be at high of this candle, so 186 points. I will definitely target at least this point, this much of points. So this is my third trade. The logic behind this trade is market is traveling at this selling zone, and from this you can just see that the market is also facing rejections, and this 67,000 point is a psychological number as well. So market face some kind of difficulty to cross this number, and if this is a sorry if this is a real move in the downward direction, then we can target up till this point, because this is the another buying zone. So market will definitely test its buying zone again. I will not take any loss in this trade now. So I will cut this trade cost to cost, because we have seen that it already crossed one candle, and closing of this candle is quite good. So if this move is real and good, then it will definitely reach to a target, because the closing of this candle is below the EMA. Let's see what is happening at 5 minutes as well. Yeah. So still 1 minute 52 seconds in closing this candle, and it closed almost below the EMA. So we might get our target. The closing of this candle is quite good. Let's see. facing some difficulty, but my POV is that it will definitely give us a target, or we will book our profit at if it crosses this blue line. Otherwise, we will wait for a big profit. Struggling a bit, so I just closed the candle at how much? 300. Order not updated. What is the meaning of this? Okay, guys, I am think okay, nice. So this is not closing. Why this is not closing, guys? What I have done? Okay, order not placed. So for some reasons, some glitch happened. Okay, we have closed our candle at 312, but it is going down. Nice. So let's analyze that what we have achieved. Let's see order history. So 66983. 66983. What is this? Sorry. Previous order 66907. 66907. somewhere here. Okay, so we have took our trade here and it is moving now 550 points. So we got bit scared with this candle, although we can just see that market is moving. Uh, so this will be our stop loss. So and our mindset is that we will book somewhere here. It already crossed 550 points. One thing is pretty bad with me right now is I have to wait for my target because I have literally wait. Why this is not closed properly? Something happened, guys. Some glitch happened. Okay, I will see it. Um, so this is a quite good trade. I think we are closing with $50 in profit today. Although we should have waited for 500 plus dollars profit because we have seen 400 plus dollar profit twice, and for some reason I think it is reversing again and again, and that's where I thought. But I think that it might reverse again, so that why not to book, because for quite some days we haven't seen any big profit. So this is quite good profit. So we will definitely divide our big loss in in small profits, because all right, guys. I think that's it for today's session. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.